Glade, Nature's Sense Case Solution. This case is about sales and marketing. In early 2004, SC Johnson's executives met to discuss the next steps for the company's air care, air fresheners, category in one of Central America's 6 countries. This category's development accounted for one of the company's strategic goals in that country. To meet the goal, SCJ executives believed they had to manage the category actively in points of sale, POS, especially at supermarkets. You can order individually solved case solutions without any plagiarism at thecasesolutions.com. Number 1 in Case Study Solutions.